we are taking it from, as I'm doing this, I've asked permission from the Queen Mother who did introduction over there. And myself, I fall in love with this village. This is Latecope. This is the Latecope village that we find a salt river, and at the same time produce fish, the tilapia. And there are other things too that I've discovered here that I'm much interested. One thing also is like the Kente production can also be found here in the Latecope village. Truly, to be honest with you, I really like the village and I like what I'm seeing. It's like the channel normally travel to villages. We go to the villages, look at the points where the investment point of view is, and that is what we do. So right now, like this, I am taking this video from Latecope, a very nice village, which look like, when you see this type of buildings or this type of structures and this type of environment, meaning you are close to the ocean, that is the coastal area, because it goes to the western region, the other part, this is what you'll be seeing how the buildings goes. So look at the other side. Let me stick it here. The one thing that I said is the Kente production. It's happening just right here. Just let's look at it. I've been seeing it in many places. They produce Kente. It's so lovely. Let us look at it. And look at the environment. It's in many places. Most of the giants you see are here, the kids coming. So here is Latecope, a village very close to the Afraou border. And the returning always go straight to the villages and visit the towns and make sure. And today, very lucky, the king have gave out the wife, that's the Queen Mother, to lead the returning channel through the town. So I look at mango fruit trees and are so nice and so lovely. So this village is, the Queen Mother is taking us around and showing us the places at Latecope where we see very interesting things. So over this lane too, you see the same production going on here. As the Kente weaving is also happening right here also. So the village have a lot to provide for the people. Yes. Wow. Okay. This way? Okay. Well, I think, as I said it, over here we find the salt river, we find the Kente weaving, we find the tilapia fishing. Yeah. Okay. So we still around the Latecope village. We go in, and if you go in straight, just look at the cell, look at the buildings, and look at how you go. This is a rare coastal style of building. In case you never know much about Africa, Ghana, if you see white sand like this, and you see buildings like this, and the coconut trees, it's all about street into the coastal area. So once again, you raise thumb up. We are right around Latecope village. Mr. Fred Kojomensan, AK247 is my name. A lot of things will be shown, a lot of videos will be coming on. So once again, I draw marketings here. Raise thumb up for me, subscribe. Thank you.